Hare Krishna, welcome back to the Krishna Conscious Corner and Splash Mridanga learning. Today we are going to be learning on how to play the Guru Vandana. So to play on the Guru Vandana, first thing we need to know what to play when. First verse we are supposed to play the basic slow beat, which is ke, titi, da, ge, da, ge, da, tin, da, te, da, or any other variation. Second verse we are supposed to play Third verse is complicated, third and fourth. In ISKCON we only sing till fourth, not fifth or how many ever there is. I actually never saw how much there is. So 3, 4, these are fast, okay? So for uttama-gati, dilo, janme, Prabhu say, you can see it's longer than Divyagyan Hide Prakashito. That's why you should play, even though it seems like you should play the longer variation, you should actually play the shorter one. Uttama-gati, dilo, janme, Prabhu say. And then Divyagyan Hide Prakashito goes like this. Divyagyan Hide Prakashito, Divyagyan Hide Prakashito. As you can see, uttama-gati, dilo, janme, Prabhu say. This line, all the long lines, there are 4 of these long lines in what we sing. So in this line you're supposed to play. So you're supposed to play that all the time. And then Divyagyan Hide Prakashito, you change it again because it's the smaller line. You're supposed to play the longer one, which kind of makes no sense but makes sense somehow. So you have to play. And then you keep on repeating that until the end. So let's start singing and playing. Sri Guru-caran, a-padma. Also, by the way, I forgot to tell you, we are not supposed to start like this. Sri Guru-caran, a-padma. Like, don't just start in the starting. Same thing with Narasimha-arati. I forced a law that don't start in the starting. There's a specific point where you're supposed to start. Same with this one. Same with the Sri Guru Vandana. So let's start. Sri Guru-caran, a-padma, kevala-bhakati-sadma. Sri Guru-caran, a-padma, kevala-bhakati-sadma. Bando sāvadhāna jāhāra prasāde bhāi bhava toriyā jāhāra prasāde bhāi bhava toriyā Krsna a-prāpti jāhā Krsna a-prāpti jāhā guru-mukha-padma-vākya Bhakti-Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Shri Gurudev ki jai. So you must have seen I messed up in the second verse. I'm sorry about that. I was not paying attention. But yeah, let's continue on. So what you must have noticed, one thing is that sometimes you can change between third and fourth verse. Specifically, it's fine if you change it in third verse because you have just started, and sometimes it feels awkward if you just speed it up and then you start to change mantras instantly. That's why you can play it for one repetition. You can just play short one, but then from after that, just play long one. Or if you want, you can play your own variation if it makes sense and if it matches the beat. And in some time, you must have seen I was also playing like Jaya Prabhupada. No, sorry, I was playing this one. Jaya Prabhupada Patita Bhavana. Jaya Prabhupada Patita Bhavana. That mantra I'm going to be teaching in some time, because I kind of like it and I kind of play it almost everywhere. So that's the end of our episode lesson for today. And also I'm sorry for not uploading from a long time because we had to travel a lot. That's why I'm sorry for not uploading. But now I'll frequently upload. I'll try my best to upload one lesson per month. And as you can see, I'm even out of practice to be saying lesson. I keep on saying episode. Too much watching Mahabharata. Okay, thank you. And if you liked this lesson, then please subscribe to the Krishna Conscious Corner, and also share it with other people who are learning, who want to learn Mridanga. And there's also many other things on this channel like sloka recitation, kirtans, and vlogs. Like recently we uploaded Deva Rayana Durga vlog. Please go and watch that. It was really fun there. So, thank you. Hare Krishna. See ya.